Spring is just around the corner. No better time than to find yourself the beautiful home to settle in, especially in northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the community of Tuscany. This house features a large west-facing balcony, which means you're going to enjoy the evening sun all season long, especially the Rocky Mountain views. The huge backyard backs onto a green belt that branches out and connects you to the schools, shopping centers, and community center that includes a water park for the summertime and a skating rink for the winter. Fully developed basement with an open concept, you can truly do anything down here. If you love the outdoors and have a young family, this is the perfect home for you. It's located on a quiet street, yet close to all amenities.